So dear students, today we will discuss about two more tags of HTML, and both of them these are the formatting tags. So the first tag that we are going to discuss is the P tag. So what is the use of the P tag? The P tag is used to insert a paragraph or start a paragraph in HTML. So what happens when we start a paragraph? You must have seen in the books also that whenever a new paragraph starts, some space is left before the paragraph. So in the same way in HTML, whenever a new paragraph is inserted, some space is left by the HTML before that paragraph so that one can recognize and one can see that a new paragraph is starting. So how can we insert a paragraph? So a paragraph is we have if we have to insert a paragraph, then the paragraph starts with the P tag, and then after the P tag we write whatever we want to write in between, that is the type, the contents of the paragraph, and then close the P tag by the closing tag. So as you can see, a small line I have written here that we are starting with the P tag, then we are writing HTML is used for creating the web pages, and we are closing the P tag. So we start the paragraph with the P tag and we end the paragraph with the P tag. So whenever we have to start a new paragraph, we have to put a P tag before that paragraph. Then let us go through another tag that is called as the BR tag. So BR tag, what is the use of the BR tag? The BR tag is used for inserting the line breaks. It acts as an enter key. For example, you are working in the MS Word, and when you press the enter key, what happens? The cursor shifts to the next line. In the same way here, whenever we put a BR tag, the whatever is after the BR tag would be shifted to the next line. As well, if we put multiple BR tags, then the multiple new lines would be inserted. For example, we write BR tags 3 times, then 3 new lines will be inserted between the two words in HTML. So here you can see the example is given here. We have written word, then BR, then Excel. Now the Excel will be shifted to the next line. Then we have again put a BR, then the PowerPoint will be shifted to the next line in the output. We don't have BR after the PowerPoint because there is nothing after the PowerPoint. That's why we haven't put BR after the PowerPoint. So I will explain you all these things in detail while giving the demonstration. So now please write a question. The question is, what is the use of the BR tag? Now let us see that how these tags work. So you may see here is a file that I have created for demonstration, and this file has so much of text written in between the start body tag and the end body tag. So you may see here I have used the paragraph tags here. So the first paragraph tag is here, you may see. Means that first paragraph is starting from here and that paragraph is ending here. Here you may see closing tag of the paragraph. Now I have again put the paragraph tag here and we have closed the paragraph tag here. So it means we have inserted two paragraphs into this document. Now let us see here, we have written Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Now you may see that Word, Excel and PowerPoint in this file are in different lines, but we have not put the BR tag. We will see if we will not put the BR tag, then what happens, and then I will demonstrate you then when we put the BR tag, then what happens. So the first thing is, you must know that we have two paragraphs inserted here. The first paragraph is starting from here and then ending here. The next paragraph is starting from here and ending here. So now let us see the output. So here you may see the output. The output displays, you may see here what the output displays. The output displays that from here, from the Microsoft, we have started a paragraph. So you may see from Microsoft we have a new paragraph started, and there is some space left before the paragraph, and again the paragraph ends at the Microsoft, and here the paragraph ends at the Microsoft. And now we are starting a new paragraph from note. You may see here from the note we are starting a new paragraph, and here from the note we have started a new paragraph, and the paragraph is ending at agreement. So here you can see in the coding also. So you may see here whenever we started a paragraph here, some space is left before the paragraph, you may see here, and again the next paragraph is starting from here and some space is left before the paragraph here also. So here we can assume and we can see that whenever we start a paragraph, some space is left before the paragraph and the new paragraph starts. Now, as I have told you that we are putting Word, Excel, PowerPoint here in the different lines, but here you can see in the output Word, Excel, PowerPoint are displayed in the same line. Why? Because the HTML does not recognize the enter key that we press inside the notepad. So what we have to do, we have to put the BR tag after the words to display them in different lines. So here you can see I have entered BR here, I have entered BR here after the Excel and after the Word, and now we will see save and we will see what will be the output. Now we go to here and we refresh, and now we can see here then Word, Excel and PowerPoint, they are in different lines because we have put the BR after the Word and Excel. So what happens if we put multiple BR tags? For example, here you can see if we put 1, 2, 3, 4 BR tags after the paragraph, then 4 new lines are inserted after the paragraph before the word. So we save it and we come back to the web browser and we refresh it. So you may see here the space will be inserted in between the agreement and the word. So when we refresh it, you may see 4 lines are inserted between the agreement and the word. So we can say that the BR tag is used for inserting a new line and for sending the control to the next line. Thank you.